Or is that the corner of the building? Seems so. Let's do the usual sit around the corner thing. So I'm sure you're used to by now. And let's see if we survive the goddamn turn. Faint side of movement from the north, eh?
What's up?
That seems like a very peaceful turn. Which I don't trust. Should I move Dimitri over to that side then? I'm really afraid to move myself now, to be honest. I really don't want to pop up from the roof because there's like 5 people shooting at him. It's not good in any way. What to do with Thor though?
What have we got here?
Yeah, that's fine. Just move across the road.
Who made that noise?
What was that?
Dimitri hears a faint sound of movement from the east. Yeah, they all seem to be gathering around there.
Keep in mind, we didn't get them all.
Who made that noise?
I feel a turn coming up very soon. God, just look at all
What was
those
that?
noises.
It is enemy. We must attack.
I'm gonna throw another hard save down here because I don't trust this battle. Drassen battle. Save. Thank you. I think the shotgun is probably better here. $25 points only. My god. At least he's knocked down, but
Good
jeez.
show.
These guys are freaking armored. Or that guy was at least. 2 shotgun shots. Yeah, this is going to be tough. Get off the roof at least. Turn around. At least you can shoot over him. Even though you don't really have the action points for it, but still. Let's see, let's cover this side with Thor. And this is already proving to be quite tough. But yeah, if we can take them out slowly one by one, that's fine with me, to be honest. I just don't have the manpower, anything, to take them out quick. Do we really need to bother with a burst fire? Quick shot to that should work. Nope, these guys survive a shot to the head.
Flippin' A!
Good job, Ira. Let's see, if more want to come. Over here. 6 points. I can live with that. I can't live with that stuff hitting. That self, get the hell away. Look at how many dudes there are. Seriously. Thank God they're all missing, but God, that's a lot of them.
You got my ear.
Dimitri, you should really move away from that window. Really. I'm thinking of basically just standing here, because I don't dare to move any closer, to be honest. So I might just get in range of people. Throw it on a save. No, don't open the door. Casket, move up. This part seems to be completely clear now. Seems like everyone has just run to this point, and yeah, I think it was because I don't even remember who it was who had the first kill. I think it was Ira. I woke them all up from their sleep, I guess. Not a smart thing to do, so I've learned. Let's see how we do.
Yo,
More
I heard something.
movement. Oh dear.
Fudge.
Oh man, these interrupts are working for me in the night. Saving that. I think let's see how much. Yeah, 7 points for a burst fire is really good. And that definitely kills him, so.
Flippin'
It'll
A!
chew through ammo, but hey, I can live with that for now.
Fudge!
A second interrupt. God. Let's kill him too. And now I don't have enough fire for another burst. Naira's marksmanship is improving steadily. I'm quite impressed with her.
You got my ear!
So I guess we'll just reload with Dimitri, just to be on the safe side. It's not taking too many action points, so yeah, action points are going to be really important for interrupts, I think, as Ira just proved, to be honest. But yeah, I'm still really enjoying the game, even though I think this is like the furthest I've gotten. It's still an amazing game. I've not even really managed to get into it, because yeah, I've basically only met a couple of NPCs, seen 3 towns, and that's it. Or 4 even, if you count Omerta. But yeah, I mean, this is only the 2nd town I'm taking back, so yeah, not far at all.
Fudge!
Good job, Ira. You're absolutely massacring the enemy. Good job.
Flippin' A! Fudge!
Still more of them. Good God. Ooh, was almost scared she would actually
Flippin'
miss
A!
there.
Fudge!
Oh God, if there's going to be another one, she's going to be out of action points. That's going to be bad. Like death.
Flippin' A!
Please, no more. No more. No more, please. I'm begging you, whoever your deity might be, pray to that one. Seems to have worked, so thanks guys. God. I really need to reload as well. Reloading almost a full gun takes 10 action points. I mean that's kinda yeah, makes sense. Can live with that. Dimitri and Eterna were still hearing sounds from the east, so maybe I should move forward 1 square or so. Or just take a look. Apparently there's nothing this way. Do I dare stand in front of the window though? I dare, apparently. Maybe I should have myself look that way and maybe get an interrupt on them. I'm gonna save over the Drassen battle. And let's see how it goes.
Yo, I heard something.
The area isn't clean yet, sir. I'd advise caution.
Yo,
Wow.
I heard something.
The army! I knew we'd see them sooner or later!
Yeah, you've seen a lot of them and killed a lot as well. Wonderful.
Flippin' A!
If they just keep doing that, I'm absolutely fine with that, to be honest.
Fudge!
Oh my God. They're really in for it, aren't they?
Flippin' A!
This almost feels like exploiting now, to be honest. There's still movement from the north, eh?
You got my ear!
Well, I don't know, this battle is suddenly just going a lot better. The opponent's turn is getting a lot shorter.
You got my ear.
Where are they hiding?
What was that?
Iris kills 25. Good God, woman. My character's 19, not too bad. Dimitri only has 5. I wonder how many Monk had.